Hey everyone! Today I want to show a 3D printed puzzle of my own design called the Revolver. It's also a bit of a fidget, it's pretty fun, and I'm excited to get into it. This video will have 3 parts. First part will be the goal of the puzzle and showing it off, and then a spoiler wall. Second part will be assembly instructions, and third part with a spoiler wall as well will be the solution. I encourage you to try it yourself. There will be links in the description if you want to get it. This is the first time I'm doing something like this, so there'll be a lot of figuring things out. The links might change in the description as I go on. Feel free to leave any comments as feedback, and yeah, good luck, and I hope you enjoy. All right, here it is. This is the Revolver puzzle. And I'll show a little bit about the puzzle without giving anything away. The goal is to get the 6 ball bearings to the opposite side to solve the puzzle, and then to reset it, get them all back to this side. There is a center part that turns, and you can pinch both sides to do that. There is one of the inner chambers that drops ball bearings to the bottom, and yeah, that's what you get to go off of. So it's a combination of twisting the middle, turning things right side up and upside down, and best of luck. All right, here we go. These are the assembly instructions. You should have the 4 3D printed parts, some super glue, this is the kind that I'm using, and 6 10mm ball bearings. And this is how you do it. You're gonna grab this part here, turn it upside down, get your super glue and put it on the edges. Doesn't need to be super good, just enough to hold this part in. And get this part, place it in, hold it there. Okay, now we're gonna place that to the side. Then we're gonna get this part, get our 6 ball bearings, place them inside. Grab the part we super glued, turn it upside down. Place it so that these cubbies here are faced up. Then there's 3 notches on the sides. We're gonna put a little bit of super glue on those. Try not to get glue on your fingers, it's really easy as you're turning this around. Okay, catch them off. Right at the top. And place it on. And that's it. Just wait for the super glue to be done, and you can use it. All right, for the solution, you'll need to reset the puzzle. This can be done easily by flipping it this way up and just spinning it a few times. I've already reset it, so it's good to go. Let me try to make sure to show this well. All right, this dot here corresponds to the chamber on the inside of the puzzle. You're going to select 1 ball bearing, it'll drop down to the bottom, then twist once so that you can see through. Then flip the puzzle upside down, twist back 1, then flip it right side up. There should now be 2 ball bearings in this chamber. You'll twist it until you hear a sound. Notice the ball bearing drop to the bottom. You'll then twist again to find the next open slot, and rinse and repeat. So you see, there's 2, drop, 2 inside here, twist once, open chamber, then the last one will drop down, flip it over, and it's solved. To reset, just like I said in the beginning, you just spin a few times until all the ball bearings drop to the other side, and it is reset.